In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use checkboxes in Obsidian. Checkboxes in Obsidian are simply task list items written with markdown, and they work interactively in preview and live preview modes. That means you can type a task, switch to preview or use live preview, and click the box to check it off without leaving your note. Here's the core idea. Start a line with a dash or an asterisk followed by a space, then empty brackets, another space, and your task text. For example, dash, space, open bracket, space, close bracket, space, then buy groceries. Press enter to start a new task on the next line and keep building your list. When you've completed a task, you can mark it done right in the text by using an X between the brackets. Both lowercase and uppercase X work the same. If you want subtasks, indent with tab before the brackets. That creates a nested checklist under a parent task. It looks like a main task with indented items beneath it. In preview, you can collapse or expand these nested sections, which is perfect for large projects where you want to hide details and focus on the big picture. You can also speed things up with keyboard shortcuts. Place your cursor either at the very start of a line or anywhere on the task text. Then press Command plus Enter on Mac or Control plus Enter on Windows to turn a regular bullet into a checkbox. Pressing it again will check or uncheck the box. There's another shortcut that can do the same thing, Command or Control plus L. If one of these doesn't work for you, it's usually a hotkey conflict. Open Settings, go to Hotkeys, and search for Cycle Bullet checkbox. From there, you can change or clear conflicting shortcuts so the cycling action works reliably. For advanced layouts, you might want checkboxes inside tables. Obsidian doesn't render table checkboxes by default, but you can install the table checkboxes plugin from community plugins to enable that behavior. Once installed, your table cells can contain interactive checkboxes similar to your regular task lists, which is handy for status tracking across rows. That's all you need to create clear, clickable task lists that stay right inside your notes. Use simple markdown for quick entry, tab to organize subtasks, and the cycling shortcuts to move fast without touching the mouse. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.